Hello everyone, my name is Andy. The European markets are closing, so let's have a look at the DAX futures on the Oanda platform. What did we get today? What can we expect tomorrow? Thursday, October 19th. For the record, today is Wednesday, October 18th. Time is around 6 p.m. GMT. So corrective price action in the DAX. We took out this lows right here. This was not my primary expectation, but yeah, as it typically goes with corrective price action, that does not really mean that the global picture or the bigger picture is invalidated. Like before, I thought we could start to see upside from here because it looked like we did a retest right here. And so we also had a nice reaction to the upside. So that was for me a sign that we could expect the wave Y starting from here. But yeah, instead we just make a leg down right here, and this is also an equally valid scenario, I would say. Then you have your wave A right here. Then here we had our wave B, and then now we can get a shorter wave C to finish this wave X, and then from here we can see upside again as a wave Y. So, in the bigger picture, nothing really changed. It would only change if we take out this low here. This low is crucial. If we take out this low, then it means the wave X was in right here. That does not mean that we have to drop like a stone from here, but it means that from here we opened a new downward sequence. Like as soon as we take out this low, we have a downward structure which is incomplete. So that would mean that more downside will follow. But of course, after taking out this low, we can first go up again, then down, then up, then down. It's it's corrective, choppy price behavior, and yeah, this makes it a bit difficult to forecast. However, we always have to try to come up with an estimate what would be the most likely scenario. And so now, for the moment, I would still call for this low here to hold, so that we move up again from this area as a wave Y. But yeah, to be honest, there are very few indications right now in the market what could play out. Like if you look at the number of swings, like if you are moving in three swings, kind of everything is possible if you move in three swings. Then secondly, the RSI is not telling much for the moment. We do not really have clear cycles, or cycles that can be interpreted in many ways. And then also the other indices are showing very corrective behavior. There is not really like one consistent pattern. Like at the one hand, the Nasdaq is finished, does not need more corrective moves anymore. Corrective moves, I mean, as a wave X right here. But then at the same time, the Dow Jones looks incomplete. It looks like we need at least two more swings up to have a complete corrective structure to the upside. So it's really a mixed bunch that we have right now. But if I have to come up with an estimate, then now, there are not many alternatives anymore. This low here has to hold if we want to reach this wave X area. So then we have this WXY structure right here, and the wave X is made as an A, B, C. So a longer wave A, a shorter wave C. And now let's assume that the low is in here. Then we can forecast the wave Y area, which is situated right here between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension. So like this, which nicely coincides with the wave X area. So if we get there, I would definitely expect reaction to the downside. And so now, yeah, the only alternative is if we break this low, it means that the wave X was in right here. And then, then we have to start considering other scenarios as well in the lower time frame as in the higher time frame. But as long as this is not the case, as long as this low here is holding, I will just take this here as my primary scenario, WXY, like this. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.